Hello YouTube. Today I'm working on JD's Garage CNC Plasma cutter. I've got my blocks printed out. I printed PETG. I did the recommended 3mm width holes on the walls, and I've been tapping out the 8 holes as described in the instructions, and it's going really good, and it will load up on you on the plastic. So I'll go in a little bit and I'll back it out. I got a little bit of oil, lube it once I get it going here. Oil on there. Yeah, this plastic, it cakes up in there. It's best to back it out, get it out before you cut. Put it in some 1/4 20 screws. Using 1/4 20 tap. See that? The oil kind of keeps it from caking up so much. I'm taking it all the way through the hole. You can feel it as it gets through the hole. It gets a little bit easier sometimes. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, feel a little bit less resistance. And then I'll keep it straight on the output of the hole, and then I'll take a screwdriver and get some of that debris out of there. And I got my 1/4 20 threaded pin. Look at that. Goes right in. Nice and smooth. I won't take it all the way out. I got to put the rods in the bearings. All right, there you go.